How to change account location in Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device. In Google Chrome, at the search bar at the top, simply search roblox.com/support. It will open this page. Here, you'll find Contact Us. Scroll down and add your username. After you have added your username, add your first name. Then at the bottom, add email address, confirm email address. After you've confirmed email address, scroll down and click on what device are you having the problem on. Select your device type and click on help category type. Scroll down and search how to and click on how to. After you click on how to, you'll find help subcategory. Click on it and make sure change my location. You can describe your issue at the bottom and press on continue. It will submit. Roblox will see your submission and get back to you. This is how to change the account location in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.